Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can stop sharing call history between iPhones. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, and be sure to write comments after watching. So, friends, let's get started. And to do that, you'll need to open the phone settings on your iPhone and then click on your name to go to your Apple ID. Then click on iCloud. And in iCloud, click on Select All or View All. Here, friends, you will need to find the Contacts section. And in order to stop this call history sharing, you'll just have to click on this button here to turn it off. And after that, you will have to select the option to leave it only on this iPhone. So, friends, you will leave the data of your calls and your contacts in general only on this iPhone and stop this sharing of history. Next, friends, I recommend that you go back to Settings. Scroll through here a little bit and go to Basic. Next, select AirPlay here. And then find the option to send to Home module. And turn that off as well. This way you will completely stop the sharing and call history between iPhones. I hope, friends, that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please put likes, write comments under the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.